Hello YouTube and welcome to Silent Code Dev. Today we're going to be doing the suit landing page from the Frontend Mentor site. So this challenge is, as you guys can see, we have desktop design, tablet design, and mobile design. So this one is going to be a little bit longer. I might actually chop up the video up because I'm going to make a part 2 because I'm going to go to work soon. So I don't think I'll be able to finish everything, but that's okay. So I've already downloaded the Figma file and all the files that I need. So as you guys can see, it says that it's a premium challenge. I have it on my other account, so let's just get started. So I won't be able to submit this on this account, but it's all good. But yeah, let's get started. So as front-end developers, you always want to start developing from mobile. It's called workflow, mobile first workflow, which means that you start working from the mobile up to tablet to desktop, right? So as you guys can see here, we have three. We need to have three. I think I'm gonna have three CSS files for each one, just because I need to. There's gonna be so much text. But we're just gonna start with the mobile one. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. So also, as you guys can see here in the Figma file, we have all our colors, all our fonts. The heading is gonna be like this, blah 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 blah. The buttons, and let's see. We have a linear, so we gotta figure out that. How are we gonna do that? Here it is. So, oh, also the back. Let's see what image. Let's see what the asset folder contains. So we got. Okay, we got the images here. So yeah. So you can see there's a lot of different images, which is gonna be for different. Let me see. This is small, and this is for. I think they are the same or not. So let me see. So okay, so it says large. What's the difference between? Oh, this one's a bit closer. All right. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out as we go. I've never done this challenge, but let's get started, guys. So yeah, so first things first, I'm gonna just we have the index file here. I'm just gonna remove everything here, and so we're gonna create our root. So I'm gonna just comment here variable. I think I misspelled. I don't know. Okay, so we're gonna create our CSS variables, and we're gonna go right ahead and import our colors. So this is, oh, thank God they named it. So this is dark blue. So we're just gonna do like this. Dark blue. Okay. Also, I'm gonna comment colors. Okay. This is just gray. It says, yeah, gray. Right. This is called cream. Yeah, it would be so much better to have it like that and have this one like that, and just so much better to work, guys. Okay, this is cream. This is cream white. This is yeah, I don't know what we're gonna call this. It's just purple, so we're gonna just say purple. Custom purple. We're gonna, this is custom pink. And this is custom orange or gold, I guess. Okay. All right, now we have the typography, so I'm gonna do like this. All right, so epilogue. Is there just one? Let me see. I think it all the same. Or am I mistaken? I think so. Okay, let's go to Google. And let's Google epilogue. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna get this one. I'm gonna import it into my header. I mean my head. So we're gonna do font style. All right, sorry about that, guys. Sometimes I get distracted. But yeah, we have imported the font here, and we're gonna put that in our CSS variable. Why do I have to? Oh yeah. Okay. Oops. Okay. That's pretty much it. I thought it was a bit more. Obviously, as you guys can see, there's different styles that has to be added to the font. So obviously this is the button. So yeah, I think we are all set. So let's just start with the yeah, we start with mobile. So I'm just gonna work like this, I think. So yeah, first things first, we're gonna set up the actual so we're gonna do the styling. We're gonna do mobile, so we need to think first, okay? So this is gonna be the header. This is gonna be the header. So we're just gonna go here and we're gonna do header. And we're gonna have, I think it's a logo or an image. Yeah, I think it's this one. So we're gonna do assets logo SVG suit, and also the background image needs to be cream white, so we're just gonna apply that to the body right now. So also we're gonna do our CSS resets before so margin 0 0 box resizing water box. Now we're gonna have our, yeah, I'm gonna comment that. CSS reset, like so, and then we are going to this is, I think that was cream. Let's just confirm that. Yep. I guess that was just cream. Okay. So yeah, I just like to comment stuff. Okay, this is the header. So we're gonna add the image there, and we're gonna have request. So instead of, that's a button, because it doesn't take us to a link. It just, you know, you send a request, I guess. So let's see, request beta access. I'm gonna class this for like that, because it's transparent, I guess. Yeah, it's transparent. And yeah, also we need to, just gonna do like that. I'm just gonna style the header. Also, it has a max width. Actually, we're just gonna do padding, I guess, to the sides, 1 rem. So we're gonna do padding 1 rem. Display flex. It's already row, but we can do content space between, maybe. So let's see. Oh, we need to go live. All right. So yeah, guys, this is the mobile here, and we need to do, I forgot something. We need to align item center. Align item center. So we aligning that. Let me see. The hard R. Maybe if I do flex. Okay, that doesn't matter really. Yeah, I want this to go, but let's do the styling of, let's style the button. Maybe it's because yeah, let's do that. No, it's because the header doesn't have width. There we go. It doesn't have a specified. Also, we need to display block max 100%. Okay. But yeah, guys, I mean, we need to, let me see. We need to define a height. Sorry. The height 48. So that's why it didn't work, because I didn't have height 48 pixels. But let me see something. Oh. Yeah, guys, I'm so dumb. I didn't link my CSS. The reason I was like, not skeptical to this is because I started seeing things on the page, but that's from the HTML. Oh, yeah. I mean, it happens. So now it actually works. So I want to show you guys that, just see if it's, you can see it's not centered, and when you center it, it's like that. We have one padding now because I've between. If I remove it, if I remove the padding, like that. But we need to have padding not everywhere, but only on the left and right. So this is top. So this is top and bottom, which we want 0, and this is gonna be left and right. So it's gonna be perfect like that. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, now we need to style the button. So I think I copy, yeah. Also, we'll do the logo later. So I'm gonna, we have dark blue, so we're gonna do background color none. If that's styling, let me see. We're gonna do border. How many pixels? So let me just. So it has. I wanna. There we go. So 1 pixel and border radius of 6 pixels. So border 1 pixel solid dark blue, and border radius 6 pixels, and the spacing is 15, 12. So we're gonna do 12. We need to do the calculator. So this is gonna be padding. It's gonna be RAM and 15. Oh, 16. I'll just say 16. We can do 1 RAM. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, we don't need to actually add padding to it. We can just add padding to the top. But we need to add padding. Because I was just thinking to align it, but you know, we still need padding because that's gonna define the size. Let's see. Yeah, we need to add some padding, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that to the main. No, we need to add that to the heading. So 24. I think that's 1.5. Yep. Okay. All right, we got it. So now that didn't work. So transparent maybe. There we go. Okay. And yeah, I'm just gonna add font family. Be large, and this is just bold, 14 pixels. 14. Okay. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And we're gonna do cursive. Oh, we don't need that. Okay. So I think that's good. And now we need to do the 8132. So we're gonna do. Yeah. Later, I'm gonna put this in a mobile, right? And we're just gonna take out before we start. I'll show you guys later. I'm talking too much. Okay. Let's go here. Class logo. height 81 pixels. I think that's wrong. Let's check. Width is 81, yeah. Width and height, like that. Yeah, it looks a bit off to me. Like, why is it yeah, why does it look like that? It looks like that, you know, it looks so weird. So I'm not gonna add any because it looks natural like that. So whatever, man, whatever. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Now we have this. So this is gonna be its own section. Let me see. Yeah, I think so, because we need to, yeah, it's gonna be its own section. So we're gonna call this the hero section. So this is the header, we're done. We are entering the main now. Hero content, h1, span, super solution, for your business. So we're just gonna add for your span. Okay. So we're just gonna add. So we're gonna call this for be bold and yeah, I like to target them like this. Also, we need an SVG here. I don't know which one that is, but let's check. As you guys can see, the whole except from here. So this whole thing here has 16 pixels. So sorry guys, sometimes I gotta mute because there's so much noise here. But as you guys can see, it says pattern curved line 1, and so I assume it's this one, the first one. So we're actually gonna put that in here. So we're gonna do image assets, and we're gonna do, let's see what, yeah, there we go. Look at that, beautiful. All right, so we got that. So that's gonna be the center of this, of the, you know, so let's just do this. Oops. And we're gonna have a button again. I'm just gonna copy this just gonna call it for beta button. So I think they have the same 256, 61. No, they don't have the same size. Okay. All right, guys. So we are going to. I like to style them first. So this one has. This is gonna be the P. So let's just go and style that. So this is gonna be 38 pixels. 38. Font size 38 rem, and also it has. This is the dark navy. Dark blue, and Epilage bold is gonna be this is gonna be the text. Bold, say it's already bold, but want the see we don't want it to be that bold. So font let's actually look in Figma just so we are sure. So let's see, it's not showing us mobile though. Like, what's the weight of this? It says mixed. Mix of what? All right, we're just gonna eyeball this, guys. So we're gonna do font weight 500. That looks about right to me. Yeah, that looks about right. Let's see. All right, perfect. And let's just do this. 56. Yeah, we're gonna. Let me see. All right. Yeah, that already has one RAM. Regular line height 28. All right, let's see, guys. So this is also All right, so yeah, guys, I think we have to do like this because the actual, let's see, it's 304. Yeah, it's 45. So this bad boy here, let's see what we're gonna do about that one. It's annoying me, so I just want to fix it right now. So let's see. We're gonna call this for curved line 1, and let's put it here because it's there. All right. All right. So we want it to be, as you can see, it's kind of, the text here is perfect, but we want to move it there. So how can we do that? I mean, we can actually use padding because it's just above the solution. It's not anything crazy. So we can do padding left, I don't know, 3 rem. Oh, okay, it's not gonna work. So we have to use, so I'm gonna put position relative, position absolute, and let's just, I think we have to center. Why is it, we gotta figure that out. Is it because I'm doing this? Yeah, look at that. So let's just do, I want to move myself. There we go. Okay, so we have position, absolute, I mean position relative on the hero content here, and we need the position absolute. So now it's top there, top left 0. So we gotta do left, let's see, let's add another 0 here. Okay, and let's do top minus 10 pixel, I don't know, it's 20. Okay, so that's how you do that, but we need it to be in the center, right? So how are we gonna do that? Oh, what is preventing it from not being in the center right now? Let's see, I mean, we can just say margin auto, right? Yeah, but then it's like, because that's how we want it, but the problem is that it's going to, trying to think, guys. Okay, can I just do this then? Yeah, but I still feel like this is too close. You know, like this shouldn't be that close. So something is not adding up. There must be some kind of collapse or something. So yeah, we're gonna remove, yeah guys, we're gonna remove margin auto. But this is actually giving us, I don't know, it's so weird. Like, why is it so close? But that's what the design is showing us. I don't know why it's showing so big, like gap, 56 pixels, but that's what it's showing us. So yeah, let's just follow that. I mean, what can I do, guys? But we need to have spacing here though, so we're gonna do that. Let's do this first, and 28 pixels. Dude. It's 28. Okay, let's start the button. So I'm gonna do beta button. And dark color. Ah. Cream white. Alright, let's just check the Figma file. I'm pretty sure, yeah, cream white, dark background color var. That. So width 6 pixels and height 61 pixels. Yeah, of course we need padding. Do we need padding? We don't need padding if we do like that, because we have already I don't actually know. Let me see. Yeah, guys, I just like to add padding, you know, instead of height and stuff. I like to add padding for some reason, so I'm gonna do that. So 32, 30, just gonna say 31, 31.5. So padding. So this is top bottom. This is right, left and right. So let's see the top 15. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna look like that. And we need to have, so this is gonna be 18 bold. So we're gonna do a font 18 pixels, and we're gonna do font way bold. Look at that, guys. Now we need to add spacing, 32, 32. So that's 2 rem. That's the P. So we're gonna do padding 2 rem, 0 rem. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Looks good. Yeah, we need to add cursor to the buttons. And yeah, guys, I mean, there's a lot of ways I could have, like, you know, but this is just how I do it. So all right, now we're gonna add this image. The only problem is that I don't know what kind of image I'm gonna use, but that's just a pure image. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna go to here, and this is the arrow. So this is gonna be the image. So let's just see which one it is. This is small here. This is not that one. So I have to look at Figma and just, I guess, pick. So it's definitely not that one. Could be, let's see, hero landscape. That's not that. yeah, there's a lot of like different files they provide us, but I'm just gonna use this one, 2x. Mobile phone. Let's see how it looks like. Wow, look at that, guys. But why is my padding? Oh, we need to add padding to it. Yes. Yeah, I think with the other ones we will just we don't need to have three. We can just we can have three there, but we have to hide or something. I don't know. So was the this was the main context. Now we're gonna do the hero image. So we're gonna do padding 0 rem 1 rem like that, and 55, 56. So I'm just gonna say 56, I guess, or 55. We don't have to be 100% perfect. So wow, look at this, guys. Starting to look, but there's an issue. Is it? Yeah, look at that. Yeah. So we need to align. I mean, those are aligned. It's just that there's something that is just. I think it's the. Let me see. Yeah, we need to get rid of the width, but it's just gonna ruin the. Yeah, these on the. Why do I have width on the hero context? That's why, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, now it's much more responsive. We need to have. See. So I think height is 343. And we also have border radius of. Why does it say mixed? 15 pixels. Okay, guys, that doesn't look good. So I don't know if I can just. That's not gonna work. Right. I mean, it's working, but it's not in the center. We want it to be in the center. So I need to. I need to see. I mean, the main. Alright guys, so I tried to do something here, but I don't think that it's gonna work out. I just want to make sure that it's responsive on all devices. It's not. So yeah, the image here is scaling weirdly. Look at that. I don't want it to scale like that, so we're gonna have to figure out something out, because you can see it's like an extra it's not moving. What if I do, let's see here. Yeah, I could display flex flex direction by content center. This would put it in the middle, but as you guys can see, we have an issue. Right, because I don't understand, like they're telling us maybe I can do, let's see, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Don't know if it's gonna work, but yeah, I mean, it's working, you know, but it's really, you know, it's still not going to the center. Yeah. But we wanted to scale like this, right? So I think we're just gonna remove this. And it's really for mobile, right? Mobile views. But yeah, we're gonna figure that shit out later, guys. Let's see. This is just how it's supposed to look like on mobile. And that's what matters. And we'll have to see later. So anyways, we're gonna do this. So this is a contain. I'm gonna use UL here. So this is gonna be a container. We're gonna call this section. We can just use UL. That can be an all. Times 3. So I need to use flex on LIs and align the items inside. So we're gonna do span to K. I'm gonna add this class because it's just font bold. And then we can have another span with yeah, it doesn't matter, companies. Okay, just copy this. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we can call this class stats. Like that, and then we're going to stats display flex. So align at the center, and yeah, that's really it. Now we just need to add the sizes. So this is gonna have 48. So it's the first child, but we need to give it a class, I think. So number, just gonna do like this, number, font size, and this also has the color. Dark blue, color, dark blue. So, wow, it's default, I think. And now we need this. Okay, guys, so I just, I know my naming convention is really bad, but I just do it like this. And let's actually see. It has some kind of spacing, lines, letter spacing, 2.5 pixels. So we're gonna do letter 2.5 pixels. Let's see. Looks good. Okay. And between them, there's 32, 32. So let's see. Also, they need uppercase. So font style. No, I think it was text transform uppercase. Yeah. And we need to have padding 32. But we only want it in the I only want it in the middle. How can I target the middle? Let's see. Let's see if I know. So we're gonna do stats li child and child 2. I think it's how it is. Let's see. What if happens by 3? I mean, there's some spacing here, but we wanted to. Okay, let me see. Child. Yeah, so we have spacing. Perfect. Okay, so we got it like that. And I'm still not happy with this because it's not, it should be in the center, you know? And I don't know why this is not. Yeah, it's because we have it done. And all this should be centered because it's just, you know. So we'll figure it out, guys. You know, I'm just gonna do, but it's bothering me. So let's find a way, because I tried to do it here in the hero content, but I want to put it in the whole main, like display flex direction column center. Okay, now it's just, yeah, it worked. Okay, it was just like that. Okay, good. Yeah, we can't do anything. I'll see what I can do about that, but now it's like actually almost perfect. So let's keep going. Now we have to do this one. So let's just get started. So we're gonna have this in a container, and we're gonna put position absolute and move him a bit upwards. And yeah, we're gonna do it like that. So let's just get started. So yeah, so this was after the UL. So we're gonna do gonna put this in a section. I'm gonna call this class equals works box. I just call it that. Gonna copy that, and then we're gonna have, because as you guys can see, we have two images, right? We have the man and we have the glowing thing behind. So we'll have to use the Z index. And we also have this one. This one is simple. So yeah, let's try it out. So let's just think. So we have two images. So we're gonna have the man here. We're gonna have the glowing part. We're gonna have this one, and that's gonna be, I guess it's gonna be an H2. I'm not sure. We're gonna have H2 with span called works. It just works, and we're gonna have a p tag. I'm just gonna copy the text, and we're gonna have h3. We're gonna have another h3. Okay, so that's great. So let's work on that. And we actually need to add padding here or something. We'll do that later. So let's just comment this, and we are gonna say work. Yeah, it just work box. We're gonna start by adding the background color, dark blue. I'm gonna do with 100%, and oops, border radius is 15 pixels, so border radius 15 pixels, like that. And let's see, we wanted to cover, yeah, it's actually perfect like that. And yeah, that's it, guys. I actually have to go to work now, so, but we have come a long way. So be sure to go to my channel and look for part 2, because I will be making that one. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching part 1. Hope this video was helpful, and Let's keep on moving.